Question number 10, we want to find the domain of the function using interval notation. So in this scenario, both indexes in the numerator and denominator are even. So we need to find the domain under the radical. And so what we're going to do is the following. Okay, so in the numerator, we have the expression x minus 2. Now, in the numerator, we know that the expression under the radical has to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, in the denominator, the expression is x minus 6. Okay? Now, we've seen up until this point that with a radical, and the expression of the radical can be greater than or equal to 0. But in this scenario, this is in the denominator. So we cannot say that it's equal to 0. So we have to erase the equal part of that because it would make the denominator 0, and we can't do that. So in a denominator, the expression has to be x minus 6 is greater than 0. So in the first one, in order for us to solve for x, we can see that x has to be greater than or equal to 2 if we add 2 to both sides. And then over here on the right side, if we solve for x, we're going to add 6 to both sides, which means that x has to be greater than 6. So let's go ahead and graph this. So on our number line, we have the value of 2, and then we have the value of 6. So at 2, we have a bracket going towards positive infinity. However, when we look at x is greater than 6, that means it has to be greater than 6, so we have a parenthesis going in this direction. So if x is greater than 6, I can't include any of these numbers below 6. So therefore, the answer is parentheses 6 to infinity.